Finna do some chest day. This is the gym. Correct me if I'm wrong, but a 20 is a 45. So we're doing 245s, which is like 135, I don't know. I just 245s. Bro, this thing keeps getting in the way of the bar. So it fucks my reps up, man. 245s, 225, I think. So we got 225s and a 35. European people, I think it's like 220s and a 15. Yeah, only did one, but like lifting it off of this is like a whole nother rep, bro. I should have made it higher. Don't mind the chair. It's like 50, I think, something like that. So it's not too heavy, but I like to go heavy a little bit. I'm on a cut, so it's not bad, but yeah, so we're gonna be doing this shit. Shit, dude. A little struggle towards the end, but it was pretty nice.
Yo, what is good? Bed's not made, I know. We better go out though.
We got the basketball shoes in case somebody wants a 1v1 real quick, you feel me? Warm up, my nigga. So drop set. Damn. Getting harder and harder, man. Fuck. Oh, never mind. The new Five Nights at Freddy's movies are coming out. It's probably already out by the time this video comes out. I'm kind of hyped, you know? All the childhood shit into a movie? Like, sheesh, man. Shit, I knew it. Let me get you. Damn. You good? Fuck, dude. Sorry for breathing too hard. Love you. How you guys doing today? Let me know how y'all doing. In chest. Bro. Where the fuck am I, bro?